When you use the Find and Replace tool in Word, you may want to include what you searched for in the replacement text. It's easy to do. Just apply the techniques that are described in this quick tip. Word has a very powerful search and replace function. There may be times when you want to simply add something to your document in a number of different locations. You can use the search and replace feature to help you out. For instance, I have a document open on the screen that's about a childhood cartoon character, Boo Boo Bear. If you want to replace all instances of Boo Boo Bear with Mr. Boo Boo Bear Esquire, this is a relatively easy thing to do. First, I'm going to press Control H, which brings up the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What box, I'm going to specify that I want to search for Boo Boo Bear. So I say Boo, Boo. Now in the Replace With box, I'm going to enter Mr. because I want to start with the title Mr., then a space, then I'm going to put a caret character, followed by an ampersand character, then a comma, and Esquire, ESQ, period. The caret, followed by an ampersand, is shorthand for what was found. In other words, anytime that Boo Boo Bear is found, it will be replaced with Mr., followed by Boo Boo Bear, a comma, and then Esquire. Now I can click on Find Next, and it brings up the first occurrence, and all I have to do is say Replace, and you can see that it now says Mr. Boo Boo Bear Esquire. I can continue going through the rest of the document one by one, replacing the instances that are found. Now, there's an important thing to realize about the caret followed by an ampersand. What Word actually uses in place of the caret and ampersand characters is what was found, not just what is in the Find What box. This means that if the Find What box contains wildcard characters, or if your search is case insensitive, then what Word uses as a replacement is what it actually found in the search process. This makes caret ampersand quite a powerful tool in your use of Find and Replace. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my free Word Tips newsletter. It comes out every week on a Saturday, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.